All right, here's an interesting truck. 1966 Chevrolet C10. So this is a half-ton long box. It is a custom. I'll show you the insignias. Custom cab. Now, a little history on this truck. Spent the majority of its life in California, San Diego, up until 30 years ago when it came to the previous owner of this truck, and he had it restored 10 years ago. What we believe this was used for is it has, as you can see, the mirrors on it. I believe this was used as a RV camper back in the day, where you would have had the camper put in the box of it. It was actually ordered with those mirrors, amp and oil meter in it, which it still retains a very stock looking dash. Had 4-season air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. So it was believed that this was used in California as a camper. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, see the bed, the interior, engine bay. I also have a picture of that data tag, if you will, that's in the glove box door. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And feel free to call us, too, if you got any questions on this one. 507-386-1726. So the gentleman that bought it and shipped it back from California, like I said, restored this truck 10 years ago. Paint on it, very nice shape. And you can see up and down the sides of this thing, it is straight. The other thing, I've been around these wheel wells. I've been down around the rockers. It appears to be in very nice condition. Now, of course, as you can see, it's got a little later model Chevy rim on it with radial tires. Under the hood of this truck is a 292, and that is paired with a 700 R4, so it did have an overdrive transmission put in it. Obviously would have came with a power glide. And you can see how, I mean, the paint has a very, very nice finish to it. Kind of a, let's say, a turquoise color. Another interesting fact is on that data tag that would have the paint coat on it, it looks like it says 540 AD. I cannot decode anything to a 540 paint code from Chevrolet, so I don't know if it happened to be special order or quite what that is. But here you can check out how stock looking that dash is. It has had a little later model GM bench seat put in it too. But just a nice look to this truck, and very original underneath the hood. It's believed to be original miles. And again, remember, we do take trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So check with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, it does have headers coming off of that inline 6, and it does turn into dual exhaust, so it's got kind of a nice little rumble to it. And as you can see, chrome is also in nice shape. Just very stock looking from the outside, with the exception, of course, of those little later model wheels. Wood box. Yeah, pretty neat truck, and seems to be in very, very nice shape. Spending much of its life in California before coming to us, where the gentleman just kind of had it as his toy. But again, look above those wheel wells. It appears to be in very nice shape. And remember, you can check out the still pictures, check out the underside, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. And again, paint and restoration done approximately 10 years ago. And again, interior, with the exception of the little later model GM cloth seat that was put in here, and a more modern retro sound stereo system. It's about throwing changes inside here. So miles read 56,940, and again, believed to be original. But yeah, here's, so your amp and oil gauge would have been an option that was ordered on this truck. Here's your 4-season air conditioning. Now, as far as the AC, it blows cool. I would not say that it, freezes you out by any means, but it is the old style air conditioning. It does not appear that's been converted over. The compressor does turn on and off. All of it's hooked up. I'm going to show you that here too. Let's go ahead and I tell you what, start it up. See how easily it starts. Just boom, and it's running. There's that retro solid radio. You can see it up. And then of course for air conditioning, just pull that. And for cool, pull that. You can hear the compressor click. I don't know if you can hear it on the video or not. You can hear it when you're sitting in the truck. Then your fan speed would have been over here. Very cool. So nice, that door closes. Come around to the back. Like I said, we do have the dual exhaust coming off that inline 6. Speaking of which, let's go up and pop the hood and let's check this engine bay out. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get it open. Alright, look at this smooth runner. Nice and tight too. Yeah, there's like the header we're talking about. You must go into a dual exhaust. You can see that in the underside pictures. Power brakes, power steering. 4-season air conditioning. This is a pretty nicely loaded truck. Like I said, if they were planning on using it for camping, someone loaded it up nicely with just what they would have wanted. Puts a camper in the back of it. And there are receipts in the glove box from California, San Diego area, and also for a camping trip where they stayed. So kind of putting the pieces of the puzzle together. Sure seems like that's what it was for and where it spent its life and how it ended up here with us. So you're looking for a nice truck, here it is, 1966 Chevrolet half-ton regular cab long box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. So website down below this video in the description. Click on the link there, it's going to take you right to us. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this truck to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.